Hey everyone, now it's time to explore the govern part of the CAF. Govern stands for governance. Okay, so let me take it here. We are going to explore govern or governance. So governance and compliance are required throughout a migration effort. If you remember, we talked about the governance even during the ready phase, where we were talking about the landing zone destination. So it is there throughout the process, but those efforts don't end with migration. Once you have migrated, you will want to keep your VMs continuously secure, protected, uh, and of course monitor your cloud health. So governance provides mechanisms and processes to maintain a control over your applications and resources in the cloud. It involves planning your initiatives and setting strategic priorities. So it is like, if I could give you an example, cloud is a free ground. Once you move to the cloud, it's open for everyone to create whatever they want, of course, who has the access. And people who are not aware, and people, because we are adopting cloud, we are new, we don't know, and there is no governance in place. So what are the setbacks and side effects? People create things and they forget about it. They create things which cost too much and they forget about it. They create stuff in the different regions which create security issues, and most importantly cost, because somebody is paying for it, right? So usually governance applied as per corporate policies. For example, data compliance. Your organization don't want to move data from that particular region, so you have to apply such policies that your data should not go out of that region. There are so many other policies that corporate has, and we have to create the policy statement for those. So governance focuses on specific aspects of corporate policies, including identifying business risk, converting risks into policy statements, and ensuring adherence to the stated policies. Governance policies cover cost management, security baseline, resource consistency, identity baseline, and deployment acceleration. Each of these disciplines supports corporate policies and protects your company from potential pitfalls. Now, governance, we have already covered about governance in the other playlist, and as I said in the previous video, it would be covered in 305 as well. There are many tools available in Azure for the governance. For example, Azure policies, RBAC, tagging, cost management, locking, security center, and you can utilize those things to apply the governance as per your corporate policies. So now let's quickly talk about the management, because once you have everything in the cloud, once you have adopted cloud, then you got to manage it, right? You need to manage the cloud infrastructure as well. So establishing good operational practices for your migrated workloads helps to avoid costly business disruption and ensures your application run optimally. As with governance, management is also an ongoing process. Well-defined guidance can help you organizing or help your organization in expanding your IT management and operations so that you are using secure, cost-effective processes and modern cloud-first tools for your cloud-based solutions. We have all heard about cloud native solutions for the monitoring, which is a wonderful tool, Azure Monitor. For simplified and optimal cloud management and operation, you should consider business alignment efforts, which aid in capturing the business impact and negotiating management costs. Alignment assures everyone that you are using the most appropriate operational management processes and tools. Business alignment includes, let me write this down here, that's okay. Document the criticality and relative business value of each workload. You can call it like criticality. Establish clear performance expectations and business interruption time value matrices. So we can follow it, we can keep it under impact. These are the business alignment. Document, track, and report on commitments to cost and performance. So you can call it under commitment. Okay, these are your business alignment efforts, and this will help you to establish the management processes. Now, cloud operations discipline. To establish levels of operation management, these disciplines support workloads and business commitments such as inventory and visibility, operational compliance, and product recovery. So visibility is about establish a defined inventory of assets, develop visibility into asset telemetry, manage configuration drift and standard supply management, automation and controls. It could fall under operational compliance. Implement solutions to minimize performance interruptions and ensure rapid recovery when needed. So it could fall under protect and recover. Now, customize operations to improve performance of the common platforms that support multiple workloads, platform operations. All right, so understand workload telemetry, which is most important. Align workload operations to performance and reliability commitments. You can fall this under workload operations. And there are multiple tools that we can utilize for the managed part of the CAF, which includes like Azure Backup, Azure Monitor, Update Management, Insights. There are so many third-party as well, but Cloud Native works pretty well. So these were the cloud operations discipline that you need to think for your management processes. And with this, we have covered in a decent amount the cloud adoption framework, but as I have showed you many times, it's a huge documentation, and I would encourage you go ahead and read about it, or whenever you think you have to, go then. But yes, there is so much knowledge in the documentation. Well, thank you, and you have a good day. Let's meet in another video series. Take care.